Hello guys, I am Parvani and today on the occasion that we completed 100 subscribers, I am going to make pasta in my own different way. So we will see how to make the pasta. So first I have taken kadai, then I will now turn on the gas. Now let the kadai heat for some time. Till the kadai becomes hot, I will show you some ingredients which I have taken. So I have taken here 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. You can take maida too. Here I have taken corn and broccoli. You can take some vegetables of your choice. Here I have taken 1 plate boiled pasta and some milk. So now the kadai has heated up. So now we will put some ghee in it. You can put unflavored oil also. Actually, I don't have unflavored oil with me at this time, so I'm putting ghee because if I put flavored oil, it will be little like weird in taste and smell. So now I have put ghee here. Now I will put these vegetables in it. So now I have put these vegetables. Now I will mix it well so that these vegetables get cooked very nicely, and we need to ensure that the broccoli gets soft and nice. Now we will put this on high flame. Now just put it on low flame. After putting this on low flame, we will just put put a plate or the pan's cover on it, or the pan's lid on it. Now let this cook for 5 minutes. Now here the vegetables are cooked. So now we will take off the lid and we will stir this well. And if your vegetables aren't cooked, so you can just put little water in it and put this on high flame, and you can close this with a lid, and then let the water evaporate. Then the vegetables would be cooked if your vegetables aren't cooked. Now my vegetables are cooked perfectly, so but still I would let some ghee, like the ghee absorbed by the vegetables, so I will just put on high flame, and I will not close this with a lid. I will ensure that it is open. Now you can hear the satisfying crackling of the ghee, and it's just very soothing and satisfying. Now now keep this on low flame or the vegetables would be burnt. Now the vegetables have been cooked perfectly, so I will now put my flour in it. We will mix this well, or the flour will make lumps in this pasta. So now I have mixed this well, and it has made a thick paste, and the flour has coated these vegetables very well. We see in many recipes that the white sauce is made first, then the vegetables are put, but here I said that I am making in a different style. So just watch till end to make a perfect pasta. So now the flour has coated this very well. So now I will put some cheese powder in it, but this is totally optional. Like, I just found cheese powder in my kitchen, so I am just putting it, but this is totally optional. I never make this with cheese powder, but I'm just putting for an experiment actually. So now I have put here some cheese powder. Now mix this very well or it will form lumps. Now this is well mixed. So now here I will put this on low flame. I will put this on low flame. I am just adding water. I am adding milk in this. Now here I have added some milk, and now we will stir this well so that this mixes well with the milk and it thickens like a sauce. So here the smell is just awesome, and as I said earlier, you can just skip cheese powder. I never put cheese powder. This is just experimenting. I guess the cheese powder would be okay, but you can totally skip it. This is now became orange sauce pasta. I will also upload a recipe on how to make without cheese powder. Without cheese powder, it would be just normal white sauce pasta, but here I told you earlier that I will make in a different style. So now this sauce is thickening, and you can see its texture is very satisfying and perfect. Now I will put some remaining milk in this, and I will mix this with. And you can add mayonnaise or any sauce of your choice in this as well. Like, you can put some mayonnaise in it for a tangy or a little little different taste, and you can just experiment it. It's not risky. I have put mayonnaise in this sometimes, but now I am not putting because I don't wish to. So now here it has become thick, so now we will put some oregano in it. Now here I am putting some oregano. Now I am mixing this very well. Now I'll just put our cooked pasta in it. So now I have put our boiled pasta in this, and this already looks very fabulous. I will just mix this and show you when it's plated nicely. And I just forgot to put salt in this, so I will put little salt in this. And I will now mix this well. It looks awesome. I will now serve it and show you. Now I have sprinkled some cheese powder and oregano on it, and now it's tasting time. Now I will just taste it. It's just like literally awesome and tasty. Not telling because I made this, but this is really very nice. Best. You should try this, and do tell me your feedback how this pasta turned out for you. Bye bye.